Welcome to Glimmergrove, Orchardlight, the finished adventure built across the Glimmergrove Godot AI book series. This is the complete guided story route, from choosing a Wayfinder and forming a first bond through Rainroot Orchard, 3 Waymarks, the Orchardlight Festival, the final relay, and credits. Everything you see comes from the playable Godot project. Links to both books, the tutorial series, and the playable portal are in the description. Our journey begins in Fernwake. We choose a distinct Wayfinder, meet Keeper Sola, bond with Real Finn, and earn the Hearth Waymark in a friendly exhibition. Notice the opening guidance: grounded 6-frame walk cycle, interaction range, companion portrait, battle choreography, player tools, and durable save and continue flow. With the Hearth Waymark earned, the adventure opens toward Mossmere. Wayfinder Nemi offers a second exhibition. Then Gardener Mara asks us to learn why Rainroot Orchard has gone quiet. The route now combines exploration, moving residents, remembered dialogue, optional companion invitations, and a choice that changes the restored orchard and festival reflection. reports lead beyond Mossmere to Rainroot Orchard. We enter the workshop, restore the waterwheel, invite a third willing companion, and face the orchard relay with a full party. This is where the systems built throughout the books meet: quests, party composition, typed battle effects, world, state changes, rewards, music transitions, and persistent progress. Rainroot is flowing again, but the story is not finished. We return through Mossmere to a transformed Fernwake, hear how our earlier repair choice affected the village, and begin the Orchardlight final relay. Victory earns the final waymark and opens the ending, credits, and a playable post-game state that still survives saving and continue. Glimmergrove is intentionally a complete small campaign rather than a promise of an endless commercial game. The books teach how to build it from a blank Godot project, test it like a player, preserve clean data boundaries, and extend it with your own creatures, towns, battles, quests, art, audio, and authoritative online foundation. If this is the kind of game you want to make, start with episode 1 or either book linked below. Thanks for visiting Glimmergrove.